Hey, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a twin shaft gearbox designed to operate a twin agitated kettle exclusively by Groen, now part of Lee Industries. This was the 500-gallon size, we believe. The shafts you're looking at run at two different speeds. The ratio is about a 4-to-1 difference, so that the one to your right would operate this large scraper agitator, the one to your left a secondary agitator extending into the tank. Little fixture probably for holding up covers, gearbox drain, sight glasses. The drive is a 5-horsepower inverter duty motor by Marathon, their Black Max series. The gearbox is listed as a TA120A. Those shafts are 2.5-inch diameter underneath at 12-inch centers. So according to the specifications we see in the published literature from Groen, this is the 500-gallon gearbox. Running on 223-phase voltage. Everything looks great. So if you need a gearbox for your 500-gallon twin agitated Groen kettle, please call us and visit our site at www.champtrading.com. See you soon.